everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the dollar CAD. Now the dollar CAD on the daily has formed a very interesting reversal pattern. Alright, so here I have the dollar CAD on the daily. Now we see that the dollar CAD actually made a low back in June 2020, right? And it went up and it sort of traded sideways, okay, before really starting the push down, okay, from this area, and then it went all the way down. Now at the bottom it made sort of a double bottom pattern, and I'm thinking that it could be a nice reversal that we can take advantage of on the intraday. Now some of you may find it a bit hard to see why this is a double bottom reversal. If you change to line chart, it will be easier to see, right? So we have the double bottom reversal pattern over here, and then the breakout and the retest, alright, before it takes off. Okay, so that is what we have for the daily on the dollar CAD. Right, so I'm going to change back to candlesticks, and I'm just going to draw a trend line to show you guys, okay, the breakout. Alright, where price actually tested once, twice, third time came close once, okay, tested a fourth time, came close a second time, and then a breakout. Right, so why I started drawing my trend line from here and not from here is really because this is where the downward movement first started. Like I said, price sort of made sideways move, alright, and then it made a real strong breakout down towards this level. Okay, so I'm just going to keep the trend line over there, and very quickly let's go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, let's zoom in on this more recent price area. Okay, I will remove this daily trend line. Just know that daily we are broken out on a trend line. And how I know that price has reversed is because, right, price made a low, and then it made a high, it made a higher low, it made a higher high, it made a higher low, right? Next thing we can expect it to do is to make a higher high. Now if we were to connect all the lows together with a trend line, okay, something like that, it's okay to touch as many candles as possible, but try not to cut the candle body. Alright, we can expect price to make a push back, right, to this trend line level. And just nice, it seems also like the graphical overlap. Alright, this graphical overlap level. So I'm just going to put this as a support. Okay, now we can use a Fibonacci extension, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and open up all Fibonacci ratios. Okay, and we see that this is quite close to the 50% level. So we're just going to highlight the 50%. Alright. Now, if price were to break below this level, okay, we will know for sure that our bullish idea is invalidated. Alright, so we are definitely bullish. But where will we play to? I'll probably play to the recent swing high. Right, so this is the recent swing high, and I'll highlight it as red for resistance level. Okay, and this arrow will be green because we are bullish, we are of bullish direction. So now that we know that price has definitely confirmed the reversal, let's go down to the 1 hour to try to look for the best entry. So I have the 1 hour chart here, and I'm just going to tidy up the charts a bit. Alright. Okay, just to look for the best entry. Okay, we see that price is making follow price action. Price has made sort of a zigzag. We can use Fibonacci extension, this level from the high to the low and back up here again, and we open all Fibonacci ratios one more time. And again, this 50% level is close to, give me a moment, again this 50% level, right, is actually quite close to the 127.2. Okay, so let's just highlight the 127.2. Okay, so the entry can be anywhere within this zone, right? The entry can be anywhere within this zone here. Okay, so this area here will be my entry zone, and of course I will have an intermediate take profit target at this short-term swing high. So I'm just going to put this as take profit, and I'll say partial. Right, and this will be the full take profit, the daily target that we have. Okay, and this area will be the buy entry. Okay, this will be the buy entry zone. So where will my stop loss be? Okay, my stop loss, I'll probably back my stop loss up, okay, to about the 61.8 extension level, okay, and just slightly below that, right? The extension is gotten by this zigzag, okay, remember that. Okay, so 61.8 is here, and I'll just back my stop loss slightly below that level, somewhere about here. Okay, let me just move it up. Buy entry. Okay, so I know that this stop loss is beyond my 61.8, so I can remove the 61.8 now just to tidy the chart up. Okay, and let's zoom back out to the 4 hours so we can see the picture clearer. Okay, so we have the buy entry zone, which is in line with the ascending trend line support. The stop loss slightly beyond that, okay, just to give our trade a bit of room to breathe and to know for sure that our idea is wrong. If our idea is wrong, I would then play alternatively to this target. Alright, I'll use this as our alternative target, okay, to try to recoup some losses. Alright, if not, that will be our trade of the day for dollar CAD. Thanks everyone for tuning in today, and catch you guys again. Thank you.